Oh, I'm not going to hide my laptop with this here, but you get the idea of what the SANSUI ES24FC2 on a budget can do for you. It takes a little learning of the menu system. Once you get used to it, you can get rid of those bars in no time. So I hope you enjoy your product. Check it on out. See if you like what you see and make a decision for yourself if this is the product that you are after. So let's get the show going. SANSUI makes a 24-inch and 27-inch monitor. This is a FHD 8-bit monitor, and we're going to show you what we have here on the table, how to set it up, what it looks like playing a video, and more. The aluminum alloy cast metal stand simply puts together like so. With a thumb bolt, you simply screw down. Speed up a process, you have a Phillips screwdriver with 4 rubber feet pads on the bottom. Prevents sliding on the table. An ergonomic tilt system. The 12-volt power source plugs into your AC. You have a USB-C to C cable, an HDMI cable, and a DP port slot, along with an air plug slot, 3.5 millimeter. These are all your ports. The USB-C to C will be used for the first show, and the HDMI cable to show how to hook up as well. Plugging in the power source and the air plug slot headphones. This is a 5D joystick, an on and off, and your speaker area on each side. Hooking up the bracket to the quick release button, simply slide into place like so. To release, press and pull. On the top is your heat ventilating system, your cooling area. The ES242FC has the ergonomic tilt down and tilt up, and you can rotate it by holding the stand. On the back of the unit, the on button will turn the unit on and will go to standby. You have a logo of SANSUI. You need to have a computer. The FHD monitor is very easy to hook up. Simply take your USB-C cable when plugging in. Your screen is going to automatically adjust. And there you go. And you can play any movie you like. We're going to play this particular one. It is not touchscreen. And this is 4,000 to 1 contrast ratio. As you can see, it's bordered line on the sides. Controlled via the joystick on the back of the unit by going to the menu, hitting the enter button. After a number of seconds, not touching, the menu will go away. And these are the ways you control the unit, like so. 100 hertz monitor with frames per second and more. You have your colors, sleek design, 24 inches diagonal measurements, playing through a USB-C to C cable and more. We're going to hook up to the HDMI port, and the monitor should come on just like that and hooked up. As we have sound by going down and then up. And then you can lower the sound via the joystick. You have the option to mute it as well in your menu. In a number of seconds, the bar goes away, and if you go up on the joystick, you get to the brightness level of the unit, as we'll show you. To exit out, go that direction, and to go to the brightness, go up and adjust your brightness level to your desire. It plays HD video, FHD video. It's a very sleek design, about a 1/2 inch, 12 inches by 22.5 inches, 24-inch diagonal. The SANSUI monitor will go to sleep when you close your laptop monitor screen down, and when you want to wake it up, you simply open up the screen, and a couple of seconds later, we're playing video again. Let's get to the blue screen, show you where it's at on the machine. Menu. And you're going to just go to the color settings. And you're going to go to the low light blue. And you're going to turn it on. It's on weak, middle, strong, and off. And you can see what it's doing down over here and changing on the areas. This is blue screen. You can see what it does. It makes it easier on your eyes at nighttime. If you need to reset the machine, you come on over here and you enter, and you want to enter yes, and your machine resets. Everything's back to default. In the menu settings, we're going to go into the color settings, picture mode, and we're going to change Energy Star to standard. Movie, Office, FPS, RTS, Racing, sRGB, and back to Energy Star. We have bars here that we could simply just come in here and enlarge our video to play it in full. And we had bars before that you're simply going to go into display settings and change it from whatever you're on to 1920 by 1080. Our machine is set up for a higher resolution, so we match the monitor to the FHD of SANSUI. Blue light, low light reading, easy on the eyes, large screen for your editing needs, and more. I hope the SANSUI 24-inch monitor, and check online for further details about the sizes you are after. 24 to 27-inch monitor. Enjoy your product if this is right for your computer needs. Thank you very much for viewing.